Hello everyone. Psychometric tests are everywhere today in hiring, leadership development, assessment centers, and even succession planning. But here's the real question. Do we truly understand these test measures and how to use them responsibly? That's where Middle Earth HR's Certified Psychometric Test Professional comes in. So, what CPTP is about? The CPTP program is designed to give you a deep yet practical understanding of psychometric theory and its real-world application. You'll learn the fundamentals of psychological testing, explore different types of assessments, and most importantly, understand how to interpret results correctly for meaningful business decisions. Let's hear what our participants have to say about the program.
So this certified psychometric testing professional course, I felt this was very practical in nature. I would definitely say that because the examples shared and the projects that were given were in alignment with the real-time and current scenarios that we usually face in the organization.
It was a very nice session, very nicely created, where certainly, being an HR also, there were a lot of times I have heard about the psychometric test, but then it was a very intuitive and very interactive session, which made it very helpful. Plus the courseware and the self-assessments which were given, that was also very nice to understand before we get into the projects.
No doubt at all. Our interaction with the faculty was very enriching. This course helped me because I am aspiring for the advanced psychometric test.
And learning about psychometric assessment. So I managed to get for me, the basic understanding of different type of psychometric tests, wherein I was only aware about 2 or 3. But I get to know that there are aptitude tests, personality tests, and there are like thousands of tests available in the market which can be used. And apart from that, of course, the trainer has shared some of the case studies, learnings, and a lot of engaging conversation within our group that we get to know about the psychometric test, how it can be used, what should be the purpose of the psychometric test, in what scenarios it can be done, in what scenarios it should not be done. So at least I can say now I have a fair understanding of psychometric test, and I also have a fair understanding of the test to be used in different cases. But it was really great sessions. Thanks.
CPTP isn't just about administrating a test. It's about ensuring validity, reliability, and ethical use. So your assessments generally add value rather than becoming tick box exercises. Through this program, you'll gain the confidence to administer, score, and interpret psychometric instruments effectively. We focus heavily on application, how psychometric tools are used in recruitment and selection, leadership development, succession planning, assessment centers, and organizational diagnostics. Think of CPTP as both a psychometric testing certification and a hands-on psychometric training program, combining conceptual clarity with real workplace relevance. So, why choose CPTP? The CPTP certification helps you move beyond surface level access to understand assessment frameworks, analyze psychometric data accurately, identify behavioral and capability patterns, and translate scores into actionable talent insights. We begin with the foundations. You'll understand the importance of psychometric tools in HR decision making, different categories of tests, common assessment biases, and the ethical principles that guide responsible use. This module focuses on administering the RSI assessment. You'll learn how RSI is structured, what it measures, and the standardized procedures required to ensure accuracy, consistency, and reliability. In this module, we explore Personality Style Indicators or PSI. You'll understand personality style frameworks, key typology dimensions, and how to interpret PSI profiles for leadership, team dynamics, and role fit in organizational settings. This module introduces the Thematic Apperception Test or TAT. You will learn its purpose and background, how to administer and score responses, and how TAT is used in recruitment, assessment centers, and counseling. You'll also learn how to create personal development plans based on TAT insights. This module focuses on ability and aptitude testing. You'll explore verbal, numerical, logical, and other ability assessments. Understand the ability factors linked to job performance and review sample tests commonly used in recruitment. Even the best tools require proper administration. This module focuses on standardized testing procedures to ensure reliability, validity, and consistency across all psychometric assessments. We conclude with one of the most critical skills, feedback. You will learn how to structure feedback conversations, communicate results ethically, and translate assessment data into insights that support development. If you are looking to elevate your expertise in assessment, strengthen your HR decision making, and build credibility as a psychometric professional, then fill in the form given below or call on the number.